everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. This is a collab that was hosted by Scrappy Tate Paulette here on YouTube, and everybody that participate are amazing crafters, so I can't wait to see what everybody created and received. If you are not subscribed to their channel, please go over and subscribe. Anyways, thank you.
Day 2, you guys. So excited. Anyways, I did use this Scrap Diva treat box. You guys, I am over recording. So again, I did use the Scrap Diva design box, and of course, I did buy some jingle bells from Walmart, and I decided to insert them all in here. And I hopefully stays enjoys these bells and is able to use them. I did use a digital design that I bought at Etsy, and I loved it so much. So yeah, anyways, hopefully you guys are enjoying everybody's creations and what everybody has been creating. Don't forget to follow and join and yeah, comment on everybody's videos, you guys. So thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.